Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to announce a new contest. I know how difficult it is to find an outro for your videos. So, I am gonna be giving away 3 personalized end screens for your videos, just like the one I have at the end of this video. How can you win it? Very easy. Click the like button of this video, and write a comment below. But please, be creative. I am sure you can write more than 3 words. When this video gets to 250 likes, I will extract 3 winners from the ones who left a comment. Good luck. So let's start. First, let's import the files we need into After Effects. You can download the full project and the files from the link in the description. Now we are going to create a new composition. I'm using the Full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 7 seconds long. Right-click here to create a new solid. We'll name it Background. It's very important to make it a white color. For now, we only can use white and black color, but this will be adjusted later. Don't worry. Drag the shape you have imported into your composition, or create a new one using the Shape tool. Now, create a new solid and name it Particles. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the CC Particle World. Apply it to your composition and let's adjust its settings. Change the birth rate to 0.05. Longevity to 5. Open the physics, and change the velocity to 0.5. Also, change the gravity to 0. Open the particles, and change particle type to lens concave. The BERT size to 0.7. And the max opacity to 100%. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Fill. Apply it to your particles layer, and change its color to black. This is how your animation should look. Now, let's make it look liquid. Create a new adjustment layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Fast Blur. Apply it to your adjustment layer and make this changes. Select the Repeat Edge Pixels box, and change the blurriness to 30. Looks weird, isn't it? Don't worry, follow me. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Levels. Apply it to the same adjustment layer and check this. You should have this 2 points, exactly as I have them here. If they are different, switch them like this. Also, be sure your channel is RGB. Now change input black to 123. And input white to 141. Wow, now we finally have our liquid animation. I have told you early that we only can use white and black colors at this stage. Look what happens if we try to use any other colors. A weird colored stroke is generated around our shapes. But how we can solve this problem, and make our logo animation beautiful colored? Very easy. Delete this solid if you created like me, and make your white background invisible. Now let's render this animation. Follow my steps. Click here to adjust the output mode. Change format to QuickTime. Channel to RBG plus Alpha. And make sure that your video codec is animation. Let's render it. Import the animation you have created into After Effects. Create a new composition, and name it Logo Animation. Use the same settings as before. Drag the animation into your composition. Now it looks blurry and slightly transparent, but we can solve this very easy. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and apply the levels on your new animation. Switch the channel to Alpha. Then change the Alpha input black to 117. And Alpha input white to 119. Our liquid animation is back, and it's looking good. Now let's make it beautiful. Create a new solid, or import an image background. It's your choice. I will use a dark gray color. Place your background at the bottom of your composition. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search again for Fill. Apply it to your liquid animation, then change this color to something more appropriate. Drag your logo on top of all the other layers. And the explosion effect, under the liquid animation. Select this 3 layers and click P on your keyboard, to open the position. Change this value to 600. Grab your text tool, and write something cool here, then align your text. Let's check our final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a beautiful liquid logo animation in After Effects. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment. Maybe you can win an end screen like this one. See you soon.